I have got some rust over there, so I need to remove the side skirt. I have here the front wheel, and this is the front end of the side skirt. I got some rust over here, so I want to remove this so it's easier to brush to paint the rust. So to remove this side skirt, so we have here, and we need to remove a lot of clips on the side over here, so we can have a look. So here you see the first one here, this kind of rivet clips. So you have the central pin, you need to get out of the central pin, remove or just get it out, then press out this bigger one out of a position. So we're going to remove this first. You have 10 of this at the bottom, you can see along the side. So there's another one. So, and also if you look over there, so you have another one. So you have 10 of them. So we just need to remove them one by one. To remove this rivet clip, you can use any kind of tool. I just made with stainless metal plate, and it should be okay. So we just firstly press out the central pin. You can see a little bit out. My tool is not as good as the special one, so you can see it's nearly out. So this is the pin, you can pull it totally out, and then you can use a screwdriver to get this big headed clip out. Okay, so you can see this is the clip. So when you push the central pin over there, it just expands this tool, so it's hold the side skirt in place. So we will do the same to remove all the 10 of the clips. I used these two tools. So this is I made stainless steel. I just get this into there and press a little bit out. So after I get it a little bit out, I can use the screwdriver to pull the screwdriver to the bottom of this tool, and then I can press out more until I can remove the central pin, and then I use the screwdriver to get into the under this edge and press this out. And then I get a screwdriver under my tool, get the pin out. So now I use the screwdriver to get this plug out. Just this side, the other side. You can see it is out over here. So you can see here the rear end of the side skirt. If you look at the bottom, the last one, the last plug, the last rivet plug, you can see. So we have this jacking point, and then remove this one, and here, and we have another one here, you can see. And this one we have the mud flap over here, so it's on the top of the side skirt. So we have this rivet plug over here. And if you look at the back over here, so you can see that the mud flap, and this one is connected over here with the side skirt. So just plug into this mud flap, the black plastic or rubber here, a little bit of rubber. And also there's another rivet plug, you can see it's over here. So this is the mud flap over here. So there's the rivet plug over there. Maybe we just remove that one as well. Now I have removed the 10 rivet plugs from the bottom of the side skirt, and also one for this the mud flap. So you can hear under here in front of the rear wheel. So you can see I removed this as well. So now we can remove the side skirt. So now this is the front of the car. If we want to remove the side skirt, because we have removed all the rivet plugs from the bottom, and I think we just pull it out like this. There are the clamps on the top of this. See the clamps over there, and we have a lot of this. This is another one. So we remove all of this one by one. Now I have removed the side skirt, so you can see here. So we have a lip over here, and this lip will clip into that clamp. That's a white plastic. I think I just plug in. If you have this broken, and you can always buy some from eBay. I have just bought some of them from the eBay, so you can have a look. So this white clip, and for this, and this is a 10. It's for £2.45, so it's not expensive. Anything broken, I have got something broken on the other side, I will replace. I think at least one broken. And you can see the side skirt. We have got the part number over here. Okay, and at the rear end, so you can see when I pull this side skirt out, this is mud flap also out. So this one, so this tab, it's just a clip it's just to get into there. So in that case, we don't have to remove this rivet plug. We can just have it on after we remove this one from here, and we can just pull this out. So we don't have to remove this one. So it could be just over there, hanging there, and we can remove this side skirts, no problem. Let's have a look of the clamps. So this is the rear of the car, at the rear wheel. So you can see, and here we have 2, and then we have just one row of clamps. So there. So also one here. So only at the rear end we have 2, and all other places we just have one of them. So here we have 2, and then all on the top of the side skirt we have clamps, and all here. How many of them? I can count them for you. Okay, all together we have 12 of these clamps on one side. So really we have altogether 24 of them. So this is the first time I totally remove the side skirt, and then we can see the rust. So at the closer to the rear wheel we have this rust, and there, here seems okay. Yeah, at the front jacking point we also have some rust, so we need to treat this as well. I initially just want to treat the rust here, but I have more to deal with. Yeah, I think for the purpose of treating rust, it's better to have this removed rather than just here. It's just on the way. So